Yo guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ola here. So in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally buy data right here at a cheaper rate. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally get 1 gig of data for just 245 naira. So you guys had me right. I'm going to be walking you through how to get 1 gig of data for just 245 naira, and this is going to be applicable to all network. So if this is your first time of seeing right here on YouTube, my name is Ola, and what I do right here on my channel is literally share with you guys how you could literally make money online. I share with you guys so many tricks you could use to make money online. I head over to the internet. So anytime I find anything that is working for me right here, I come over to my channel right here to share with you this amazing update. So if you're someone who would like to learn how to make money online, or you're literally interested in making money online generally, I'm gonna advise you smash that subscribe button right here and like the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. First thing you need to do right here is to click on the first link in the description. So once you click on the first link in the description, they're gonna prompt you right here to go download the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. So this is the app that we're gonna be using to be getting this data right here for cheap. So we're gonna be buying this data right here for cheap. So the first thing you need to do right here to create an account. If you know you haven't created an account, just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, they're gonna ask for your phone number, your email address, your full name. Then they're gonna ask you to create a password and confirm your password. Then they're gonna ask you for your referral code. Like I said, I'm gonna be leaving the link to my referral code, and once you use my referral code right here, you're gonna be getting a welcome bonus anytime you sign up right here on this website. So you could just put the referral code right here. Then once you're done with that, just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, they're gonna send you an email right here to your email, which is a verification email to your email. So they're gonna ask you to verify your account. Then once you're done verifying your account right here, your account is gonna be created. So once you're done creating your account right here, this is how your account is gonna look like. So you're gonna be seeing your name right here at the top corner right here. Then you're gonna see that I have some transaction right here. I've literally bought a lot of data for myself, because literally this is the app I personally use for myself. This is where I used to buy all my data right here. So you can see right here I got some transaction right here. So the first thing you need to do right here, you're gonna see this service option right here, which they're gonna be listing all their services right here. So you could either use this app right here to buy airtime, to buy data. You can also use it to pay for cable bills, which is the DSTV and the GoTV subscription. You can also use it to pay for electricity bills, and also for those of you who like to do betting or who are into betting right here, you could also pay for your betting stuff right here on the app. So all you need to do right here is to click on the data menu right here. And by the way, you could also buy airtime right here for cheap right here. So once you're on this app, you could literally get airtime right here for cheap. Like I said, I'm going to be walking you through that in a while, but let me first walk you through the data option right here, how you could literally get 1 gig for data for just 245 naira. So you can see right here I'm going to be selecting my network, which is Glow right here, because I'm a Glow user. Then it's going to load up a bit. So they're going to ask you right here to fill out your phone number right here. So let me quickly do that right here. So once you're done with that, it's going to bring out their packages right here. So you can see right here there are different kind of packages right here on this app right here. So if I click on this 1 gig data right here, you're going to see that I'm going to be getting 1 gig data for just 245 naira, and this data is going to be lasting for 30 days. So one thing I love about this app is that anytime you purchase a data or airtime from them right here, their service used to last. You're gonna be using it up to 30 days, like because I literally love to buy data from this guy right here than buying data from my bank directly, because literally their duration right here is long lasting. And yeah guys, I could vow that their product right here, the services right here are literally top notch, because literally this is something I use. This is the kind of app I use to buy all my data, all my airtime, and all of that. And also anytime you make a purchase of data, or you make a purchase on an airtime right here, they're gonna be giving you a commission, which is the cashback right here. So you're gonna see right here that they're gonna be giving me 4 naira right here if I proceed with this transaction. So guys, if I come over to my mobile app right here, so you guys are gonna see that these guys are literally selling 1 gig of data for just 300 naira, and this data is gonna be lasting for just 1 day. So you guys could see the difference between this app I'm showing with you guys and with the normal data that you guys used to buy from your bank, from OP, from PAMPay, and all of the rest right here. So these guys right here are literally selling their data for cheap, and also their data used to last long. So these guys are gonna be selling with just 1 gig of data for just 300 naira, while you're gonna be getting the same 1 gig of data right here for just 245 naira, and also it's gonna be lasting for 30 days. Guys, if you know you have found the video helpful so far, consider smashing that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell right here. So the reason I decided to create this video right here is to save some people right here that literally spend a lot on data right here. So this is just to save your cost right here, because literally I love the app right here, and I've been using the app right here for years right here, and their customer support right here is literally top notch. I could also explore their customer support right here, and I could vow that their customer support right here are literally top notch. So anytime you know you want to ask them anything, or you just need to complain about anything, you could just reach out to their customer support right here, and they're gonna be answering you quickly right here, because the customer support right here is literally fast right here, and they're reliable right here. So guys, this is how you could literally get cheap data right here for just 245 naira right here. You could literally just get 1 gig of data for just 245 naira right here on this app right here. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to the app in the video description right here, so you could click on the link right here to go create an account for yourself right here if you know you haven't created an account. And also, if you found the video helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button right here and turn on the notification, because my channel is all about making money online. I share with you tips and strategies right here that you can use to make money online. So I head over to the internet right here to search for information right here that you could use to make money online. So when I test it for myself, and once it has worked for me right here, I come over to my channel right here to drop the updates right here for you guys. So if you guys are really serious about making money online, I'm going to advise you smash that subscribe button right here, like the video, and also share this video to your friends right here. So it's going to be really beneficial to them. Share the video to your friends and also to your family.